I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
It's time for another finance update for us, the Happy Travellers.
Yeah.
What do we spend in January 2026?
Yes. It's been a long month.
It's been...
It seems to be. It seems a long while since it was New Year's Eve.
Yeah, blooming hell. Seems crazy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But first, what I want to do is just give a bit of a shout out to Matt and Gemma from Eurostyling UK. Great YouTube channel. They're looking to get some more subscribers, so please go over and subscribe. They are further down Spain than we are, so we've hung around a bit up on the on the La Xenia area for a bit too long. So we're going to get moving pretty soon. But pop over to their channel, Eurostyling UK. Give them a like and subscribe. And they've got some great information that isn't included on our channel. So they do slightly different things to us. Stay in different places. There's some good stuff.
I really think, and their dog is so sweet, called Dora. Years ago, when we first met them, we were wardens as well at the same time, and Pippin and Dora used to play together. And she's a dear little dog, and you want to see her when they show her in the sea and on the beach. She runs and runs, and Pippin used to do that, so I really like seeing that. So please go and subscribe to them.
Yes. Anyway, cracking on with the finance. So we categorise all of our spend, and Wendy keeps it in this magic finance book.
This finance book is a very good book. It costs £1 from Poundland, and comes with all the tabs and also a pen and a pocket in the back. And it's a good. It hasn't. None of the pages have ripped or anything. So
it's ring bound.
Yeah, this has been good value for £1 per book, because often they split, and it hasn't so far.
So
anyway, let's go.
Categories. The categories we do are fuel, LPG, ferries and tolls, motorhome costs, internet and tech, groceries, health and personal care, entertainment, vets fees and pet food. We have a miscellaneous category where, if nothing else, if they doesn't fit in anything else, we do site fees and parking and laundry. And those are just categories that we can think of, and we categorise those every month. So, starting off with fuel, and that's essentially diesel. We spent €207 on diesel.
And that is, we're full up now, but we are full up as we 1st of February, but we've only driven all the way down the coast of Spain for that, so it's a bit less than that. Because we got a full tank, because we filled up yesterday, and we only spent €26 on LPG, and again we filled up that yesterday.
Ferries and tolls.
9.
We haven't been on any ferries. Toll roads, we've been on a couple in Spain, weirdly. It's cost us €9, so not very much, and that was 3 tolls we went on, so average €3 a toll. Motorhome cost a couple of bits and pieces, especially the screws I had to buy for the rear quarter panel repair that I've still yet to do. Just trying to find some clear space to do that. That was €20.
And then we've got the internet was €198. That's internet, phones and
other bits and pieces. Internet and tech. So any other internet subscriptions or apps that we buy or pay for go into that category. So
that's it. That's that lot. Then groceries are £486. It's not any cheaper groceries in Spain than they are in the UK. No.
And
then we come to health, which is the health and things. That's like clothing and
health and personal
tablets
care.
and yeah. So that came to 226. And the entertainment, which is coffee, beers, tapas,
all the pubs, all the bars, cafes, restaurants we go to.
Breakfasts out.
Yeah, any breakfast we do.
Tostadas.
Yeah, that was 353 euros.
Yep.
And then the vet's fees, which we have stocked up on medication.
Yeah.
So we've got.
And she's had her rabies jab, and she's had a blood test for her.
Yeah, so there was extra bits and pieces that we needed to do, but that was 317 euros. But we'll probably go through February without having to do much more at all.
No.
Nothing in miscellaneous,
No.
so everything fits into a category. And then we've got site fees, not very much, 47 euros, because we stayed at an Air for a couple of nights.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, and then we found the petrol station with all the services on that Wendy thought was the best laundry or best value laundry, because it was. The downside to that laundry, it was a little tiny place, and the music was so loud. Even with my deafness, I thought it was really loud, and it started to make my ears ring even more than they do already.
It was at a place called San Javier, which is not far from Torrevieja. It's sort of a little town. It's by that there's
the Dos
Males shopping centre, so it's really good. Yes.
And the laundry there was only 15 euros. It was actually a few pence less than 15 euros.
And it would have been even less, but I'd done all the washing and the drying, and then you got so wet through your coat and everything, and I had to put another dryer. So it would have only been less than that.
I got so wet
going
to the van and the laundry and coming back that I had to have a complete change of clothes. So you know, the clothes I'd put on were all clean, so I had to take them all off. Luckily, Wendy had bought too many, so it probably would have been about 10 euros. Well, 11 to 12 euros. It was 15 in total.
Because usually one token does not do a massive load of laundry dry, but it did, so it's unheard of. So
I put all my rain-soaked clothes into the dryer and used the spare token.
Yeah.
I mean, we could have gone back and said, can we have a refund on the token? But with the language barrier, this probably wasn't worth the 350.
No. She's a very sweet girl, and I wouldn't want to.
And it was good to have dry clothes.
Yeah, we needed to get them dried again because it's difficult with very damp clothes trying to dry them in the van.
It was almost like I'd stood in the blooming shower. Anyway, the sum total for January 2026 is £1,904. Euros. Yeah, 1,904 euros all told, and the daily average
is 61 euros.
61, just over 60, 61.42, so less than 62 euros per day, which I think is pretty good actually.
Yes,
I think we could, we usually do better than that, but we have a few extras.
Would you say that's about 61 euros? I think it's about £50, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think so, yes.
Yeah, it's about 50 quid a day.
Is. Yeah.
And I think probably could live on that.
Yeah. I wish I'd worked out for you what 1,904 euros were in pounds, which we could work out. How much is the exchange rate today?
About 1,700.
Yeah, I couldn't think how much the exchange rate is today. Yeah,
that's £1,700. It's not bad.
No.
So there we are. Now, don't forget, if you missed it at the front, go and subscribe to Matt and Gemma, Eurostyling UK. So go to YouTube, search for Eurostyling UK, and they'll come up. I'll put a link to them in the description so that you can find it easily. They do some great content.
Yes.
They do a lot of. They spend a lot of effort making their videos really nice. So and they're worthwhile watching.
Yes. We've been following them for many years.
Yeah.
Because we used to do wardening like they still do, and they've got a dear little dog called Dora.
Yeah.
And she loves to run on the beach and play in the sand. So she's really lovely.
And don't forget, if you haven't given us a thumbs up, please do.
Yes. Yeah.
Just click that. If you're watching on mobile, click the hype button. Give us a hype if you can. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do. We're hoping to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. This being our 10th anniversary year. So, there you go. That's it from us.
Yes.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's been helpful. And if you want to tell us what it costs you to live, put it in the comments below.
Yeah.
I know some people are on a lot less income than our double state pension, but we do quite well on it. But this is all we have to maintain.
Yes.
So we'll see you again in the next one.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.